Alhamdulillah, done our suhoor, iftari, and dinner for 15 days Ramadan fasting. Ang bilis ng araw. Kaya yung pag-fasting talaga, very smooth lang. And alhamdulillah pala sa nagpadala ng sakat from anonymous family. Bali, siya, lagi siyang nagpapadala, hindi lang ah, cash, kundi lahat ng mga items. Kaya maraming salamat Kapsat sa pinadala mo for sakat para kay Langga at kay Fatma na monthly transportation. So, yon kinuha ni Fahad sa Western Union na transfer mo na pera from Riyadh to Pakistan. Malaking tulong na yon Kapsat para sa maintenance ni Langga at nagkataon din na naubos na yung kanyang maintenance for epilepsy. Kaya alhamdulillah talaga Kapsat. Allah bless you more. And sana lagi kang mag-iingat dyan with your lakay. Sana good health lagi always. At walang dinaramdam na sakit. And salamat talaga Kapsat dahil itong maintenance ni Langga for epilepsy ay nakakatulong talaga ng husto kasi kung wala siyang maintenance for epilepsy ay lagi siyang inaatake. So in 5 years na may maintenance si Langga sa kanyang epilepsy. Kaya naririnig nyo sa aking mga videos na yung kanyang ingay. Yan si Langga. Making siri or suhoor for 15 days Ramadan fasting, and today is March 5 and today is Thursday. So I have extra little bit lady finger or bamia or okra. So I have make hot this one. I have little rice also for me, and I put already milk here for fresh buffalo milk I use, and parathas and pakoras. Close fasting for suhoor. Now there is already siren and azan for Fajr. It's cooking time again for our 15th days Ramadan fasting for our dinner. Now I will put now also this garlics and ginger. Onions and garlics is already brown. Now we can put now this lentils, fenugreek seeds, coriander seeds, sesame seeds, and then chili powder, turmeric powder, chili powder, and salt. And then to be followed by tomatoes and green chilies. Tomatoes is already paste. Now we can put now also this potatoes, optional. And then we can put now this chicken. So I will cook today chicken curry or chicken clay. And then I keep this one, 2 breast for chicken tapa. Because my siblings, they like this tapa, chicken tapa. Now we'll put now this chicken here. Our viand for 15 days Ramadan fasting for dinner is ready, chicken curry. So I will put toppings here, coriander leaves. Then I will cook rice also. Then chapatis, because I cannot eat chapatis or rice. I will cook. They will eat also rice. Our viand for 15 days Ramadan fasting is ready. And for this is for our dinner. So toppings with coriander leaves or parsley. So already cooked, done cooking. Our dinner after iftari for 15 days Ramadan fasting is ready. Chicken curry or chicken clay with potatoes, slices of potatoes, and white rice. Sherbet also is ready with chia seeds or tokmalanga. And this is my fruit chat. Sweet melon, oranges, apples, bananas, and guavas. And with dates for iftari open fasting. This dates with sherbet. Frying now, pakoras. It's still first batch. Then I have to wait for this one. Our 14th days Ramadan fasting is ready. Iftari and dinner. And white rice, chicken curry or chicken fry, pakoras, fruit chat, sherbet with chia seeds or tokmalanga seeds with dates. Alhamdulillah for all these foods for 15 days Ramadan fasting.